come on. Don't play on the stairs later. Transport sila ng luggage na lang? Wow, sana all.
Sa dala niya lang yung damit niya for today.
Oo.
Kakain mo muna.
Ayo. Oo. Kasi walang pagkain dun sa Nara eh.
Meron 7-Eleven.
Doon, oo. 7-Eleven.
Kung gusto na tayo, kumain tayo.
Ano?
Ano ba kayo?
Oh, go.
Tatanong.
Lakad lang ba tayo o sakay?
Walang bus dito eh.
Layo
Doon
yun.
pa ang bus eh.
Yung lakad natin.
Magbabas tayo?
Bahay naman Makati. Kano nga yung pagkain nung deer? $5 lang, $5 lang yun.
Oo. Isang ano yun? 10 yen? O 100 yen.
100.
100 yen ah. Mm.
Kada time. Hindi mo mali.
Doon jump pack eh.
Kahit doon na banda, doon marami na doon eh. Ah, wala atang nagbebenta ng ano dyan, biscuit.
Papayturin sila, kala nila dyan lang yan. Ang dami doon, hanggang doon.
Ano yung mga nagdagdag? Hindi natin pumunta sa ano? I don't have any.
Hindi naman tayo pupuntahan yan pag wala tayong pagkain.
Bakit dito ka?
Layo tayo sa mga ano, mga...
Sumusunod nga sila eh.
I don't have biscuit. There's no biscuit. Oh, wala. There's no food. We don't have food. Right? Oh, there's no food.
No, nothing.
No, none. Oh, look around.
Like this.
Laki kami.
Nakakatawa siya.
I'm 11!
Habol!
I'm...
Yeah. Nangakalapit pa sila eh, oh. Bibitawan mo talaga eh, oh.
Here.
Lana.
Here. There. Good girl. Good girl. Wala na eh. Hold on. Wala na.
Ano sila? Nakagat ka agad, ano?
Wala na. No more. You like it? No more.
Siya,
Oh.
si Kuya, oh. Okay. Hey,
Gusto na kayo uwi. Is he good?
Nice.
Is he nice? I'm not sure if he's a he or a she. I think this one is a baby. Ala, nahulog na.
Oh no.
Oops.
Oh no. Run, mate, run.
Nanggaganon nga kasi sila kaya mapapagtanong.
Yeah.
Na-stress si Manong Greek.
Ang init. Tsaka walang guide. Doon talaga yung super deer sa temple. Yung mga matatandang deer. Ang lalaki.
Malaki yung horn.
Oo.
Pare-parehas na reaction. Tatabuhan.
Mamimik.
Slowly. Slowly. Lahat.
No, I don't have food. Sorry. It's like
Ça fait aimer les choses, tu vois. Ouais.
Ay, nako. Are you guys happy?
Kuya, don't touch me.
Kuya, Uko, don't touch her because you just touched the deer.
So how was it? How was your third day? How was your
How's
third
your
day?
Good.
Good?
We're gonna see the Maharaga.
What's that?
Some horror.
Megami.
Oh.
I think it comes in the nighttime and night.
Was it worth it going here? Was it worth it that we traveled here for an hour?
I do know.
Video dito dati. Mochi. Ay, ang gusto ko kainin ano,
Ano?
sushi platter. Oo, di pala ako sobrang busok na kahapon eh. Ayun oh, katsu oh. Parang panalo ah. Parang ang sarap. Gusto ko na rin pala nito. Dito na lang tayo.
May chicken din, no?
Okay.
Pork. Asan ang chicken?
If your number is called, but you're not here.
Ay, di ba?
Russell Pet. I'll touch you. I'll touch you, Kuya.
Hindi yan. Hindi yan.
Yung jar.
Yung jar.
Yan. Oo. Oops.